Today I am showing you how to make delicious softest blueberry muffins ever. Sieve the flour into a large size mixing bowl to remove any lumps. Add the baking powder and baking soda. Whisk to combine the ingredients. Set to the side. Melt the butter and leave to cool before adding to the sugar. In another bowl, mix sugar and melted butter together. Add the buttermilk and whisk together until combined. After combine, add the eggs. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Fold together using a spatula until there is no more clumps of flour. Now add the fresh blueberry to the batter. Fold together gently. Do not overmix. In another bowl, mix 3 ingredients of topping together. Start preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The batter should come up nearly to the top. Pour the topping on top of the batter, about 1 tablespoon. Place the muffin pan in the oven and bake the muffins for 20 to 25 minutes or until the tops spring back when pressed. Cool the muffins before serving. Those muffins are light and fluffy, filled with juicy blueberry and topped with a crunchy pecans. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment below and subscribe. Feel free to share this video too. See you for next recipe.